I hope all is well. Today we want to talk about mediations, and we're talking about mediations from the standpoint of how you should conduct yourself during a mediation for a divorce. There are some important things that you should consider during that process. One, you should come to the mediation with an open mind. This is a business discussion about the business of the marriage. You want to be prepared to be business minded, and you want to be prepared to be open minded. And the reason that I say that is because it's not the place to be emotional or deal with emotions, because sometimes that clouds our thinking with regard to whether or not we should do A or B from a business perspective. Secondly, you want to be open-minded, because if you come open-minded, it puts you in a better mindset to consider compromise. Mediations are an opportunity for parties to get together with a certified mediator to see whether the issues that they have within the divorce process can be resolved without going to final hearings and other hearings with regard to those issues. It gives you an opportunity to talk things out, and so you want to come with a spirit of compromise. Now, a spirit of compromise does not mean that you come with the thought in mind that you just have to give up on everything that you have on your priority list. But you want to be open-minded so that you can consider the other person's side with regards to these things to see if you can come up with something reasonable. And sometimes compromise can end a situation and both parties leave satisfied because they were able to compromise and move through these things without having long hearings and things of that nature. Thirdly, you want to make sure that you are well rested and relaxed. You want to be in a room where you won't be disturbed. You want to make sure that if it is via Zoom, and most of our mediations are now, that you're in a location that would be conducive for a business meeting on Zoom. So if you have pets, you want to make sure that they are in a place where you won't be disturbed. You want to make sure that you may have some water nearby so that you can take a sip of water, because mediations can run long or be longer than anticipated sometimes. You want to have a notepad nearby so you can jot down some things if you're a visual person. You want to make sure also that you got a great night's rest before entering a mediation, because you want to be at your very best. So I hope those are helpful and you found some value in those. Remember, take great care of yourself. Come into a mediation open-minded. Remember, it is like a business meeting. So you want to make sure that you're in a sense and in the space that you can think of things from a business-like perspective. And thirdly, you want to make sure that you're well rested and comfortable throughout that entire process. If you need additional information with regard to divorces or mediations related to divorces, we are happy to assist you. Have a wonderful day.